Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make churros Bridey Drake, only way. Start by heating water, butter, and a pinch of salt until boiling, then stir in flour off the heat. Beat in eggs one at a time until smooth, pipe strips into 350 degrees F oil. Fry until golden, then roll dough in a cinnamon sugar mix while hot for a crunchy, tender interior. Let's explore tasty variations to elevate your churros without complicating the process. For bright notes, add vanilla or orange zest to the dough, or fold in a tablespoon of cocoa for chocolate churros. After frying, pipe dulce de leche or chocolate ganache into the center for a decadent treat. Finish with powdered sugar, a salted caramel drizzle, or flaky sea salt to balance sweetness and highlight textures. Here are quick fixes to common churro headaches so your batch turns out great every time. If dough seems runny, chill it briefly and add flour a tablespoon at a time until pipeable. When churros brown too quickly, reduce oil temperature by 10 to 15 degrees F and fry slightly longer for even cooking. Keep leftovers in a paper bag and re-crisp in a 350 degrees F oven for the best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.